Impunge zo muri Cyaka ya kabiri n'abanya-Uganda baherere Kampeji baganyirwa hansi y'enkore y'eserwe Sustainable Market Inclusive Livelihood Pathways to Self-Reliance eyo kumara imyaka 5 ubwo kutebwa mu sente aba IKEA Foundation.
Nitukigumya nti project eno kuruga kara ekabe manyire nte inakurora nti kubaganizamo hagati na hagati twinaho ekitwesere ekitweka 50 hari 10 ezo sente nituziteka mu bantu abayikazi kandi ekinde ekitweka 5 hari 10 nicyo kikurora nti kiyambire abasohoki.
Enkorejera mareho sente miliyoni 25 mu za euro ubwo hatera umuneko rwo mu campus y'Impunge ziri mu ya Cyangwa ari mu district ya Kikube ne ya Cyaka ya kabiri mu district ya Kyegegwa egine tamburira hampaje 8 ezira mu buyambe bwe byetago byeka okwegesa ubwo mbyo bushubuzi okurundo butari hamwe n'ebindi ahansi y'enkoreji abana begesebwa hambika ya sente no kweguza ebyemishuburo kandi ayitoro kugambira ebina byabiko guze birukwingana 290 na mushanje byamazire kutekwaho okwera abantu aba
zire kuforminga groups batandika no kusomesa abalimi baitu predominantly kichweka kyaitu kino kiri kyabalimi abantu abalimi kandi nuko bayama kasente kakubayamba kuja kurolera makagabo agakubayamba kusomesa abana agakubayamba kurora ngo nabo babaho batekana kandi bakora ebyenkurakurana.
Aba avisi nubagirangu ayiharaze kwera emyaka 5 nubaza kuba bashikiza abantu umutwaro gumwe n'enkumina abo bakwasira ha mukono mu miringo etari yemwe nemwe okurugo mboro.
And based on these questions they were able to select the most vulnerable people among the members in those villages, and as they select those members in those villages they were able to bring them to us. We would again verify if these members were registered refugees, and after finding out that they were registered refugees they are now able to be selected to benefit.
Abo kwempungi ziberezine akataka kake kandi bina abana bingi so itakeri iyo mpungi zibase kutuyamba mu mpungi unguzi base kuba modified bahinga misiri yabo bagihinga rurengo rwo mutindo okwinga hakataka kake ukagira umusaruro gw'ingi.
Konka we Dawson ategeka orukora nko muhwezi wa mukuru w'abakozi bwa district ya Kyegegwa nagira ngo abantu ababine kuratizibwa okwenda ngo enkoreje kagenda kurunjo misho hataruhukira kugiteganisa
kora follow up hati baja abantu baja graduating nko kumukubana mu barora hanyuma y'emyaka 2 n'ikicweka baitu twinogaruka kora follow up nibakora bata tuongere kubongera ubukugu kandi twenka district nka sub counties tuli ready continuinga nitukora follow up nitukora support tuhereza ubukugu nuko abantu abo basobole kugobora murebe bagwanzire nibatunga.
Gasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwire na Philip Murangira.